In this video, I will show you the exact sequence of steps required to transfer form ownership states to distinct user logs within the Typeform platform. Managing your digital assets effectively is a crucial part of maintaining an organized workflow, especially when you are collaborating across a large team or transitioning projects between different departments. To begin this process, you need to log into your account and navigate directly to your main dashboard area where all of your active forms are displayed. Once you are there, look through your list and find the specific form card that you want to relocate to a new owner. Instead of clicking on the form itself, simply hover your mouse cursor over the card to reveal the hidden options. You will see an icon consisting of 3 small dots, which represents the settings menu for that particular asset. Click on those 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will appear with several different choices. From this list, you must select the option labeled Move To in order to initiate the transfer sequence. After you click this, a pop-up window will materialize on your screen. This window is where you designate the new destination for your form. You will need to carefully select the recipient organization from the available list, and then pick their specific target workspace where the form should reside. It is important to verify that you have chosen the correct workspace to ensure the form ends up in the right hands. Once you have confirmed these selections, look for the Final button to complete the action. Click on the Move button to finalize the ownership transfer and save your changes. By following these simple steps, you can easily shift control of any form to another user log, making your project management much more seamless and efficient. This ensures that the right people always have access to the data and settings they need to succeed in their roles.